Hi everyone, welcome to my Optimum Health God's Way YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at autophagy, which is a very crucial or important cellular process to maintain our cellular health. The human body is made up of trillions of cells, which are the basic building blocks of any living beings. Cells provide structure for the body, take in nutrients for the body, and convert the nutrients into energy in the body, and carry out specialized functions like metabolism or breaking down of the food or the fats in the body, and for the growth of the body, reproductions of the body, and others. And all these cells in the body are working together to maintain life, to keep us alive. That means if your cells are healthy, you are healthy. So autophagy is a cellular process. It's the process that the cells go through to break down and to recycle. So it's like a cleanup crew and a recycle center. So autophagy supports the overall healing process by maintaining cellular health and efficiency. That means to keep our cells healthy and efficient. The cells at the end of life cycle, that means when a cell gets worn out, old, or damaged, or either component or a part of a cell, for example, like mitochondria, gets damaged, there are three possible alternatives or choices that the cells have. Number one, autophagy. Either it's a self-eat or self-cleaning. At the time of death, the cell recycles all of its various components like mitochondria, nucleus, and others, and basically repackaged into a brand new cell. Number two, apoptosis. At the end of life cell cycle, the cells would explode and the debris become dangerous trash, and it causes immune system to panic and goes on a warp path that causes inflammation. So it is the last thing you want it happen. The third choice is zombie cells. In this process or in this choice, the cells don't die. They just sit around in limbo. They don't function properly. They can cause inflammation if they explode. So it is a process of the end of cell life without really dying. Therefore, autophagy of all the three choices or alternatives is the best and most beneficial end of life cell cycle process. Now let's look at definition of autophagy. Auto means self, phagy means eating in Greek. Here we can see a cellular process in which a cell eats its own contents or recycle its own damaged, old, extra, dysfunctional, unusable components like proteins, organelles like nuclear, mitochondria, or pathogens like bacteria, fungus, mold, viruses, or viral antigens like a substance found on or within a virus that signals your immune system to create a reaction that causes an inflammation. So autophagy is a natural cellular process of cleaning and recycling that offers many health benefits by improving cells' health, by removing damaged components, promoting cell renewal, and supporting efficient energy production. Autophagy can promote cell survival by regenerating free amino acids and fatty acids required to maintain function during nutrient-limiting conditions like when you are starving or fasting, or by removing damaged organelle and intracellular pathogens, viruses inside your cell. So autophagy is essential or very important for a body to function properly, to produce energy and provide building blocks or cells to create new cellular structure. Now let's look at key aspects of autophagy. Number one, cellular recycling. So it helps break down cellular components like protein, organelles, molecules to either clean it or recycle it. Number two, homeostasis and stress response. Autophagy helps maintain balance in the cells to enable the cells to adapt or adjust to various stressors like nutrients deprivation, like fasting or starving, and infection. Number 3, disease prevention. Autophagy helps prevent and fight diseases, especially like neurodegenerative disorders like Alzheimer's, dementia, Parkinson's and all, and cancers and other infections by removing harmful substances and damaged toxic cells. Now let's look at benefits of autophagy. Number 1, cellular health or function. Autophagy helps remove dead, damaged, toxic cellular components, helps recycle cellular building blocks, helps maintain cellular homeostasis, helps create a stable and functional internal environment, and helps with energy production. Number 2, disease prevention and management. Autophagy helps reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. That means it protects your brain and helps protect against cancer, helps support cardiovascular health, helps improve metabolic health. That means how well your body manages and utilizes energy from the food you consume, including factors like blood sugar, blood pressure, cholesterol, waist circumference. Number 3, other benefits like autophagy helps boost immune system, helps reduce inflammation, helps promote healthy aging, anti-aging, and helps improve cognitive or brain function and helps you live long quality life. Now let's look at how to boost autophagy in the body. Number 1, fasting. Fasting helps deplete your excess calories, so it's forcing your body to become more efficient by recycling a lot of damaged proteins and glucose and start triggering autophagy during 18 hours of fasting, and really start autophagy process around 48 to 72 hours of fasting. And normally if you dry fast, that means no drinking water, it really helps you deep clean your system. Number 2, exercise. High intensity interval training, like you alternate between short and high intensity burst of exercise. So you alternate between short and high intensity burst of exercise and take short recovery period and push your body to its limit during intense intervals and allow it to recover with less intense activity. So you try to increase your speed, resistance, amplitude like large motions, and try to use exercise that will use your largest muscles and try to exercise as often enough as possible, and especially running, walking, swimming, rebounding. They are very good exercise for that. 3, ketogenic diet. When you will eat like high fat and low carbohydrate food, and where the body burn fats for energy instead of glucose, because fats are more efficient fuels anyway. For vegan ketogenic diet, avocado, nuts, seeds, olive oil, coconut oil, nutritional yeast, tofu, tempeh, leafy greens, mushrooms, cruciferous legumes, and others. 4, sleep. Getting enough sleep or adequate sleep is very important for cellular repair and in supporting your body's cellular process, in supporting autophagy. 5, antioxidants. When you have enough antioxidants in the body, it helps protect cells damage and helps support overall cellular health, and that can be beneficial for autophagy. 6, hydration. Stay hydrated and maintain electrolyte balance during fasting and during intense exercise, especially sodium, potassium, magnesium, and calcium. 7, certain phytonutrients like tea, berberine, ashwagandha, ginger, mushrooms, and polyamines like spermidine kind of diet like tofu, tempeh, natto, legumes, whole grains, nuts, and seeds. Yeah, they are very good when you fast and exercise a lot. to help with autophagy. Number 8, cut down your overall calorie intake. Helps stimulate autophagy. Cut down your meat, cheese, dairy, eggs, especially eat about 900 calorie vegan diet for 5 days out of the month. It is like mimicking fasting. So it helps promote autophagy, stem cell growth, and development of healthy new cells. 9, you can combine all of the above, like fasting, exercise, ketogenic, sleep, antioxidants-rich food, hydration, cut down your overall calories to boost your autophagy. The optimum approach to bring about autophagy can differ or vary based on individuals' factors like characteristics or circumstances, like metabolic health, like how well or efficiently your body processes food into energy, and to maintain a stable balance of bodily functions like blood sugar, blood pressure, cholesterol, and your weight, and your fitness level, how fit you are, how healthy you are, and your overall health. Now let's look at the recommendation, getting the most benefit out of autophagy to gain the best and fast results. Number 1, pursue a regular and healthy, consistent fasting habit. Start slow, then observe how your body reacts. And then start fasting for a few hours, 8 hours, then increase it until 60, 32, 42, 78 hours. Depends on how your body reacts. And try to replenish the electrolytes like calcium, potassium, magnesium, and sodium enough during your autophagy or fasting and exercising period. 2, combine fasting with some supplements like better than greens, moringa, spirulina, wheatgrass, chlorella, nuts and seeds, and especially coconut water. 3, combine fasting with following and obeying God's health principles, because God's health principles help promote good health. That means good circulation and good blood, which your cells need and love. There are 8 health principles. Number 1, godly trust. In Exodus 15:26, God says, I'm the Lord that heals you. Psalms 103 verse 3, God heals all diseases. So I'm sure God wants us to help boost autophagy in the body, so we can ask Him to help us to follow systematic and efficient kind of fasting, exercising, calorie restriction and all, and follow His health principles while asking Him to help us. Number 2, open fresh air. Oxygen plays a crucial role in cellular respiration and energy production and helps cells function more efficiently. Number 3, daily exercise. Exercise significantly impacts autophagy, like aerobic or resistance training triggers autophagy and contributes to overall health. And especially high intensity and good volume exercises helps enhance autophagy very greatly. Number 4, sunshine. Sunshine can help induce autophagy in the skin and in the liver. Number 5, proper rest plays a crucial role in supporting cellular autophagy, where cells clean out damaged parts or components and recycle them. Number 6, lots of water. Enough or adequate hydration or drinking of water is very crucial or important for supporting autophagy, where the body's cellular recycling process for cells to function optimally, an efficient waste remover, and in breaking down of damaged parts. Number 7, always temperate. By practicing temperance or self-discipline or self-control, it makes it easier for us to go on calorie restriction diet, fasting, intermittent fasting, and for exercise and others. And nutrition significantly impacts autophagy, because lack of nutrients like starvation and fasting helps trigger autophagy. So during fasting, the body begins to rely on autophagy for energy and cellular repair. So after you fast, you need to replenish or restore those nutrients in the body for your cellular health And antioxidant-rich foods helps protect cells from damage and help support overall cellular health, and they are very beneficial for autophagy. Like berries, artichokes, spinach, kale, beans, apples, grapes, pomegranates, plums, kiwis, cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, Swiss charts, cabbages, and Brussels sprouts, and others like beets, legumes, garlic, onions, turmeric, cinnamon, and of course like electrolytes-rich food like bananas, watermelon, avocado, spinach, kale, red potatoes, nuts, seeds, beans, coconut water, legumes, olives, tomatoes, celery, mangoes, avocado, spinach, kale, sweet potatoes, beets, dark leafy greens, blackstrap molasses, and others. And it's important to keep taking food supplements like Better Than Green, spirulina, chlorella, sea moss, moringa, wheatgrass, milk, thistle, and others. Friends, I would like to leave you with 3 John 2. Beloved, I wish above all things that you may prosper and be in health as your soul prospers. Bye for now until my next video. God bless.